Welcome back, Python enthusiasts. You're watching day 59 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we'll explore a fascinating aspect of data analysis, time series analysis with Pandas. Whether you're analyzing stock prices, weather patterns, or sales data, mastering time series analysis is crucial. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Time series data is a sequence of data points collected at consistent intervals over time. Pandas makes it easy to work with this type of data, whether you're plotting trends or performing statistical analysis. Let's start by loading and inspecting a time series dataset. You can generate a time series dataset in Python with random data. This code reads a time series dataset and plots it. Notice how easy it is to convert the date column into a date-time format and set it as the index. Time series data can sometimes be too granular or not granular enough. Pandas offers powerful tools to resample and convert the frequency of your data, whether you need to go from daily to monthly data or fill in missing values. Resampling allows you to aggregate your data into any frequency you need. Here, we've taken daily data and resampled it to monthly averages, giving us a clearer view of long-term trends. Working with time series data often involves challenges like missing dates, irregular intervals, or time zone issues. Let's look at how Pandas can help you clean and prepare your time-based data. This code detects missing dates in the series and fills them using forward fill. This technique ensures your analysis is consistent, even when data is missing. And that's a wrap on day 59. Today, you've learned the essentials of time series analysis with Pandas, from plotting data to handling complex time-based challenges. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for day 60, where we'll continue our data analysis journey. See you next time.